ERP Bear Manufacturing Solution. Increasing 100% business growth at Tantio Tequila. A case study. Drinks are the love of the world. No special event in life is complete without cheers. In today's world, alcoholic beverages are one of the most popular drinks, raising the bar for maximum drink consumption rates all over the globe. Types of beverages: whiskey, vodka, beer, wine, spirit, lager, tequila, rum, cider, gin. About 41% of people who drink alcohol have claimed beer as their favorite beverage, even when faced with a wide selection of wines, spirits, and liquor. This business has been growing tremendously worldwide, generating many opportunities for brewery industries to expand their manufacturing and production scale globally. According to a survey, by 2027, Statista Consumer Market Insights estimates that the average volume in the beer market will remain relatively unchanged at 15.28 litre per capita. Brewery and distillation business, adding a great value to the world's economy. With the increasing demand worldwide, there are many challenges for the brewery industries and distillation units that result in less production and industry growth and low profit rate. Tantio Tequila, one of the Forbes famous tequila manufacturing companies in the USA, faced these challenges to meet the expanding demand for tequila in their production unit. Common challenges faced by Tantio Tequila: manual intervention, data fluctuation, process loss calculation, subcontractor receipt, warehouse management, supply management, workflow traceability, recipe management, seller registration, raw material valuation, batch tracking, inventory control. The solution: collaboration with Nestor Bird. Recognizing their brewery operation challenges, Nestor Bird stepped in. The leading ERP company in North India collaborated with Tantio Tequila, offering a customized ERP Next manufacturing solution. Nestor Bird, Tantio Tequila, getting the biggest cheers for large brewery production with ERP Next Brewery Software, the best ERP beer manufacturing solution. Helping Tantio Tequila to achieve 100% workflow efficiency with centralized brewery system, transparent operations, finance management, stock evaluation, large production rate, inventory control, resource management, advanced data handling, increased product sales, supply chain management. That's the power of ERP Next Brewery Solution. Step into the fast world where brewery production is seamless and unlimited. Have a look into the amazing features of ERP Next Brewery Software for distillation units, pubs, tap rooms, and bars that can take your business to the next level of profitability and management. Features of ERP Brewery Software: traceability, quality control, production planning, inventory management, customization, workflow automation, bills of materials, BOM, finance management, capacity planning, financial management, supply chain management, project setup and work reports, recipe management, payment integration, sales and order management, product life cycle management, client's testimonial, Thank you, Nesterbird and their brilliant team, for offering our tequila industry the best ERP manufacturing solution. Tantio Tequila is now more revolutionized in its production processes and automated workflows. Before the implementation of ERP Next manufacturing software, we faced many challenges, including real-time data analysis, raw material valuation, manual intervention, and inventory control. Now, with the software's ease, we have been progressing amazingly. Our primary production areas, supply chain management, and customer relationship management are aligned in the same way we want. Sean McNally Tantio Tequila. How can Nesterbird help your brewery industry with customized ERP software implementation? We are one of the best ERP companies in North India, with 1,000 plus happy clients all over the world, 200 plus successful implementations. What makes us unique in the world of ERP? 100 plus certified developers, fast implementation, 24/7 technical support, free live demo, free business consultation, FRAPI certified developers, affordable services. Redefine your industry with Nesterbird's ERP Next, a future-forward system that integrates cutting-edge technology to achieve 100% guaranteed operational efficiency. Looking for a customized ERP solution for your brewery manufacturing and production industry? Contact Nesterbird to book a free demo or consultation session with our certified experts today. Thank you.